In this video, we will learn about few terms related to circles. First of all, we must know what a circle is. Circle, we can say it is the collection of all the points. It is the collection of all the points that are at a given constant distance from a given fixed point. So what is a circle? It is, we can say, collection of all the points in a plane which are at a given constant distance. This constant distance is called radius. From a given fixed point, this fixed point is called center of the circle. For example, in this figure, this is the center O, and the distance from center to the circumference, this OA, is radius. Now, what do we mean by interior of a circle and exterior of a circle? Let the point, say point P is such that the distance OP is equal to R. It implies that the point P is on the circumference of the circle, boundary of the circle. Now, if this OP is less than R, the P point is, it means inside the circle, it is in the interior of the circle. And if distance OP is greater than radius, then P lies outside the circle, or we can say it is at the exterior of the circle. What do we mean by concentric circle? Co means same, centric circles. That means all the circles having same center. For example, these three circles which I have drawn, they all have this same center O. So these circles are called concentric circles having same centers. Now coming to this figure, this length AB, this is called arc AB. What is arc? Let A and B be any 2 points on the boundary or circumference of the circle. Then this circumference is divided into 2 parts by these 2 points. These parts are called arcs. So this A, let it be P, APB, length APB is minor arc, smaller arc, and length AQB is major arc. So arcs, we can say, are 2 lengths on the circumference of the circle. AB points are dividing this circumference into 2 parts, minor arc and major arc. Now, what is a chord? It is a line segment joining any 2 points on the circumference of the circle. For example, this length PQ, line PQ, P and Q, endpoints of this line P and Q are on the boundary circumference of the circle. Then this line PQ is called chord. And what is diameter? Diameter, we can say, is the longest chord. Longest chord which passes through the center of the circle. Longest chord passing through the center is called diameter of the chord. Diameter of the circle. Now, what is semicircle? This diameter is dividing the circle into 2 parts, each of which is called semicircle. These are 2 equal parts. So what can we say? That diameter, it divides the circle into 2 parts. Each part is called semicircle. Now another term related to circle is segment. What is a segment? Now diameter divides the circle into 2 semicircles. This chord PQ divides the circle into area of the circle into two parts, this one and this smaller one. These are called segments. So the segment containing the minor arc is called minor segment. Minor segment. So similarly, segment containing the major arc, this one, is called major segment. So these are some terms related to circle which you must know about.